अच्छा, लाइव हो गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके।
Hello. Thank you so much, sir. Here we have H. Padmanabhan, sir, our Papan Bhai, our all's very dearest and loving Papan Bhai, who is always there for the courage and wisdom of students and always provide the best of the knowledge. Thank you so much, sir, for coming live within such short notice period. Here we have CMA Akshay Sen, sir, from Jaipur, CMA Prakash Sharma, sir, from Delhi, Mr. Sajjad from Delhi, he's a CMA final student, and Papan Bhai, our very dear own Papan Bhai. So, sir, can we have a little bit of little words of wisdom from you, so that these students right now going through a hard times, mainly because of this COVID-19 pandemic and all the other in southern areas, a huge natural calamities coming arise, due to which students are facing lot of problem. So, can you share your pearls of wisdom with them?
Yes, thank you, Dr. Priyanka Saxena, madam. So nice of you for inviting me. In fact, some of the students were asking me, one Kunal Bhai was asking me, why don't you come live yourself? So I told, I am a student, you please teach me. Today he has taught me how to come live. But I always feel happy when somebody takes me on live because of the questions, because addressing the student fraternity, madam, and reading the chat box, it is a little bit difficult for me. However, I will also learn. I am now today a student of Kunal, I should tell, because he has shown me the screenshot, how I can do with the 2 steps, 1 step like that. However, I am very, very thankful to you, Priyanka, madam,
Thank you so
that
much.
you have brought me live, and you are a nice human being that you touched the most important thing about the natural calamities. If we respect the nature, definitely such calamities will not come. It is all because we are not respecting the nature. That is the reason why something comes. Maybe, yes, people were worried about Nivar. That has hit mostly the southern part, especially that coastal belt of Pondicherry, Karaikal, or going towards Andhra Pradesh or whatever it is, right? We were also a little bit scared when we were hearing noise of a thunderstorm and this thing that thing. Even yesterday, or sorry, day for yesterday night, we had a feeling that something is good because I am also staying somewhere nearby beach, seashore only. Because I specifically took that house for the reason that I want to enjoy the nature. However, it that Nivar started weakening and it went to the atmosphere. So no human damage as per the Pondicherry or Puducherry Chief Minister. He himself has told that Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has taken utmost care to take care of this thing. However, you are very much correct, madam. Many of the areas of water logging is there. Many areas of power cut is there. Even today and tomorrow, we are forced to cancel the Webint program for the reason that the speakers come from that area, and we have seen the photo that the entire ground floor total water this thing. So I can understand how many of the students, in fact, one person from which area I am not telling, that corporation, municipality, panchayat person, official called me and he asked me whether you are Padmanabhan. I said, yes, sir. Then he said, one student from that area, because there is no mobile or net connectivity, they have requested us to inform you that please postpone the exam. I said, what exam? Then he said, that I don't know, sir. Some exam you are conducting. I said, I am not conducting. Institute is conducting. And that foundation examination is scheduled on 5th December. Intermediate and final students examination commences from 10th December. And this water logging with your expertise, everything will be sorted out within one day. And the electricity board and these officials, in fact, we should thank them. Despite all these calamities, madam, they are ensuring that then and there the trees are cut which have fallen to aside. They are trying to connect the this thing so that power cut is restored. So many good things, effort they are doing in the heavy rain. However, that student reached me through the official and I assured him that institute is with the student. Even if one student is suffering, we are with them, madam. So nice of you for having concern for that Nivar, natural calamities and this thing. Yes, madam. Let us go ahead with our further this thing.
Yes, sir.
We thank the Almighty that nothing finally happened to anyone. But however, some discomfort has happened. Everything will be all right. I am very confident. Yes.
Yes, sir, definitely. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your pearls of wisdom with us. Sir, here we have CMA Akshay Sen, sir. He'll be, sir, are you ready? Akshay, sir? Hello?
Akshay Sen for
Sir, can you hear me? Okay. Prakash, sir, can you hear me?
actually Akshay, I like him because I saw some video. Akshay was very calm, very nicely. He was explaining. He wanted the students to understand what Balwinder sir told. Because I am telling you, Priyanka madam, many of the students have not listened properly to what Balwinder sir told. They were writing something in so it is wrong. Balwinder sir has made it very clearly that whatever best for the students, it will be done. And Akshay Sen is one person who has very nicely, such a calm, composed youngster I have not seen. Very good, Akshay Sen. Please keep up your. In between, you told Papan sir also some video. Thank you for mentioning my name, but I am not praising you because you mentioned my name. Even if I am, some people tell bad about me also, I like them because my nature is to like, love, and shower affection. That is my
no one
nature.
can say that about you. You are very calm.
Yes,
Sir, you
yes.
are the sweetest person we have ever seen in the council, actually.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And always be sensitive towards the needs of students
Yes,
specifically.
yes, I can understand. My only request to the students who are frustrated, who are upset, who are depressed, or who are what is that in some sort of, my only request is you write anything bad about Papan Bhai, all your frustration, show it to Papan Bhai. Don't show it to your parents or elders or youngsters at home. Anything you want to shout, you shout at me. I am seeing in Twitter also. Some of the they are expressing something. I don't bother. Rather, I have read their messages. I have accepted because to whom else they will show? They have to show all the. But one thing, please understand, Priyanka madam, Akshay Sen sir, that Papan Bhai is only an elected representative. I can be the voice of the students in the council, but I am not an employee. I cannot issue notification ना. थोड़ा
Sure.
फॉलो अप कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा स्टाफ मेंबर्स के ऊपर गाली दे सकते. गाली means not unparliamentary words, but I can tell them. प्रकाश शर्मा सर नमस्कार. You also
नमस्ते
join.
नमस्ते नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
नमस्ते.
सर.
कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया सर. आप कैसे हैं सर?
अच्छा, शर्मा नाम अगर मैं देखता हूँ, मेरे को विजेंद्र भाई का नाम आता है. विजेंद्र शर्मा सर, जेडी शर्मा सर, क्योंकि जो भी शर्मा है वो मेरा कास भाई है, बड़ा भाई है, छोटा भाई है.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Yes, yes. Now you can ask anything, whatever you want. Of course, please treat me as a student in an examination. If I know the answer, I will answer.
Okay sir.
Yes, sir. Students are getting very restless now. All of us very well know their basic question is about extension of the exams. So,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
can you share your idea about this thing?
Extension of examination. Before I tell about that, Priyanka madam, there are students who are waiting for 1 year. They could not appear for the June examination. There are students who have failed in the previous examinations who are eagerly waiting to write the exam. Whether pass होगा या pass नहीं होगा अलग बात है, मगर exam लेना चाहता है. But for those students, I want to make it very clear, postponement, if any, the institute has taken a decision and notification will come soon. is not for that reason. It can be for natural calamities. It can be for collusion of examination of a CA Institute and CMA Institute. It can be because of elections going on in some states like Kerala. It can also be because of some students' degree examination has been postponed to December. Lot of things are there, and that is the reason why. That is the reason why we are going for postponement. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो पढ़ रहा है अरे पपन भाई बोल दिया पोस्टपोनमेंट आएगा, नाउ लेट अस क्लोज द बुक्स. नो, इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी एंजॉय स्टडीइंग. अगर आपको शाहरुख खान का मूवी देखना है, बिकॉज आई एम ए ग्रेट फैन ऑफ शाहरुख खान, राइट? Similarly, so many other younger generation actors also. If you want to enjoy, अरे आज तो वनडे इंटरनेशनल हो गया, इंडिया तो हार गया, कोई बात नहीं. 2 दिन बाद 29 तो विराट कोहली टीम आएगा ना, तो अगर वो मैच देखना है देख लो, इसमें कोई परवाह नहीं है. यू जस्ट वॉच व्हाट एवर यू वांट, एट द सेम टाइम एंजॉय स्टडी. एंड मैडम, extension is only available solution. Therefore, students telling that notification लाओ, अरे notification आएगा या नहीं, एक notification तो है ना. 5th December foundation, 10th December intermediate final, तो notification तो है. खाली extension postponement का notification आना चाहिए. And madam, if you permit, or you can ask the question, then I will answer one by one.
No, sir.
So this
No,
is
sir, you
the regarding foundation examination, madam. If question is there from our Akshay Sen Bhai or Sharma Bhai or yourself or our friend sitting next to you, Sai Sudhir, I am telling you, foundation is a home-based examination. Students can use their mobile, laptop, whatever they want sitting at home. Therefore, I personally feel there is no need for extension of foundation because it is on 5th December, one day, 4 examination, one day divided into 2 parts. It is on Sunday. There is no CMA collusion. There is no natural calamity. There is no degree or other this thing. और क्या चाहिए? So foundation students, please be prepared. Already S2S is available. Step to success. That is model examination or mock test or whatever you call it. Per subject model examination. Everything has been designed day in and day out. रात तक, सुबह 3 बजे 4 बजे तक मेरे को पता है 1 या 2 दिन मैं भी बैठा था. 1 or 2 days I also sat with Balwinder sir and Nandi sir and team. This examination department has worked. Arey, don't tell that same question whether it will come. But model examination is model examination. Sometimes similar questions will come. So foundation students, please be prepared to take the examination on December 5th. Those who take the examination, technically, any problem for you, your Pappan Bhai on behalf of Biswarup Dada President, Vice President Raju Iyer sir, Balwinder Singh sir, immediate former President, Chairman TE&EF and Examination Committee member, we, the council, are assuring you, अगर होना चाहिए तो एक और एग्जाम हम आपको चांस देंगे. टेक्निकल दोस्त अटेम्प्ट एंड टेक्निकली कुछ ग्लिच होगा, लाइक सितंबर एग्जामिनेशन प्रियंका मैडम, अक्षय सेन भाई, प्रकाश शर्मा भाई एंड सुधीर भाई, we will come with one more examination for those foundation children. I am very clear. Am I clear, madam?
Yes, sir. Thank you
This
so
is
much,
for
sir.
foundation. This is for foundation. So be prepared to take the examination on December 5th, which happens to be the that particular date, maybe 5 or 6 that date. If I am wrong, I am sorry. That date which is already announced of foundation students, please be ready. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. So I would
And
like
let
to
them let them practice whatever is given by the studies department or examination department. Definitely, and I am telling you, September 2020 foundation examination twice we conducted, and the result is more than 80%, and the balance 16%, 84. Okay, balance 16%. Some 2 or 3% never appeared in the first and second. They balance the thing. Some children appeared for one paper or two papers, or they did not score. They only failed. Those who are really attempting, definitely they will pass, madam. Yes. All the best to foundation children.
thank you so much, sir. And so there is a point regarding that. What about CAT students for the same? They are the students who will be appearing.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. Certificate. Oh, very, very nice of you. Everybody are talking about foundation, intermediate, and final. Certificate in accounting technician course, like we conducted in September, madam. The examination date we have fixed is 17th January, Sunday, 2021. This is the tentative date, madam. When you ask about intermediate final, I will again come to that. This is tentative date. And 17th January, Sunday, if we conduct that CAT examination, it is similar to foundation only. Within one day, we will finish it. And by any chance, as a chairman of a certificate in committee for accounting technician for the certificate in accounting technician course, I am assuring you, madam, through your channel today, I have the confidence. If I am alive, as a chairman, I am telling you, if need be, we will conduct one more examination for CAT children also. It is my word. Because my committee, my entire team are with me only. Don't think that the Papan Bhai is telling. It is the voice of the committee for accounting technician, entire council members I am sharing. Yes. Because I am live, I am using this thing. Otherwise, it is the voice of the entire council. Yes.
Yes.
And CAT directorate. Yes.
Thank you, sir. So now I would like to have CMA Akshay Sen, sir, to proceed with other question. Sir?
Akshay Bhai.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, thank you. Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Very much.
Sir, one question is coming again and again. Even Balwinder sir has also clarified about the paper pattern of intermediate and final. Many of the question are reading many MCQ books and they are thinking that we just need to read only MCQ books and we will be able to pass the examination. Just give a clear cut words upon the exam pattern. What will be the paper pattern? Student want to know.
Yes. अच्छा ये कौन है सजत भाई आ गया हाँ वेलकम नमस्कार अच्छा Akshay Sen sir, I understood your question. As a student we always want some shortcut to pass the examination. Okay, it is not possible. Even if I give the book to you and you are allowed to see the book within 3 hours, if you have not studied, you don't know which page that question answer is there. Na? Similarly, mock test is a mock test. It is like a mock. However, model examination, that is a S2S, steps to success, which Dr. Sushil Parekh sir, who is in charge of the examination, Dr. Nandi sir, who is in charge of studies department, and Balwinder Singh sir, above all, who is monitoring everything. I am telling you, Akshay Sen Bhai, they can take this mock test as a guide. As a guide, model examination, that we call it as steps to success. Model examination will be the pakka this thing what Balwinder sir told. Because mock test we have given Akshay Bhai, as you might have seen, it is only for 100 marks.
Yes,
what Balwinder sir told, we will give you like the offline, we will give you 120 marks. You need to choose what you want to answer and you need to answer only 100 marks, right? Similarly, mock test take it as this thing to practice. Whereas model examination, when it comes, abhi jo bachon ne 8,000 se zyada, shall I tell you, when it was offline, the number of persons who applied for foundation course was 7,667. Today, for the online foundation examination, it has crossed 11,500. When it is online, more students have applied. Or maybe because June it did not happen, everybody are coming here. Means out of that 11,500 and odd, 8,000 and more than the students have already practiced that model examination for foundation. Similarly, when examination department comes with the model examination, that is steps to success, that pattern, please, Akshay Sen Bhai, please tell the students to practice that particular thing because it will be almost like final examination of the institute. Rest assured. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो क्वेश्चन इधर भी आएगा, वो नहीं. But similar questions can come and students can come out successfully. That is the pattern. And Balwinder sir has made it very clearly with regard to typing and other things. Majority of the questions will be MCQ. And step by step mark also children can get. Because that will be divided into 5 to 6 questions, wherein you will get, suppose what is contribution, or what is profit, what is loss, or something like that. It will be segregated, divided into such a manner that for 16 mark or 20 mark questions, maybe they will easily score by that option or whatever it is they type with whatever calculation they want. Maybe more than 10 marks for that compulsory or that option type of questions also. Yes, Akshay Sen Bhai.
Sir, one more thing related to the same. Students are thinking the marks proportion will be same as the mock test paper. They are making the, for example, for direct text mock test is there. They are making a list. They are counting. For example, there are 45 MCQs. So 45 marks will be MCQ and another part will be descriptive. So sir,
ऐसा नहीं है. First of all, the student should stop thinking. They should only learn. They should only study. अरे फाइनल एग्जाम में क्या आएगा वहां आप ए और बी या सी और डी और ई मारेगा वही होगा सच. ये थिंकिंग छोड़ दो. ज्यादा सोचने से क्या होता है, इफ यू थिंक टू मच ना यू विल गेट डिस्टर्ब. डोंट थिंक. वो सब पपन भाई के सर पे छोड़ दो. अरे पपन यू आर देयर, यू थिंक, यू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. वी वांट डायरेक्ट अप्रोच एग्जामिनेशन में. ठीक है. सो माय सजेशन इज मॉक टेस्ट इज ओनली something like similar to this thing, not actual, but model examination, step to success. वो जो फाइनली इंटरमीडिएट या फाइनल या आजकल फाउंडेशन को जो दिया है ना अक्षय सेन भाई, ऐसा वाला इंटरमीडिएट और फाइनल के को भी आएगा, वो भी आएगा. प्लीज वेट. Definitely they will get time and they can do something. Arey, why you are thinking about 400 marks in one group? You think about that 200 na. You think about 40 marks. You think about aggregate 50. You get rank. ठीक है. बाद में हम लिखेंगे पपन भाई फर्स्ट रैंक इन टैक्स इन फाइनल. क्या फायदा? कुछ फायदा नहीं है. पास हो गए या फेल हो गए वो ही देखना है. So don't worry too much on all these things. Your teachers are there. Priyanka madam, Akshay Sen sir, Sajad bhai, Sharma bhai, everybody, teachers are there. You listen to them, learn, study, enjoy studying. Then you will remember whatever they have taught. You can easily write in the examination. Type or option. ठीक है. आजकल writing नहीं है ना. Okay, Akshay bhai. Next.
Prakash sir, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to ask
Prakash bhai.
In how many days institute will clear? Is there any postponement of exam or not? Because there are many questions. But
Prakash Sharma bhai, मैं एक बात बताऊं. Either yes, you or student or Papan bhai, we are the institute.
Okay, sir.
We are the institute. Now we have to bring the notification. It is not in your hand, Prakash bhai. It is not in the student's hand. It is not in my hand. It is in the hands of the institute official. And institute officials, I am telling you, they are discussing as per the decision taken by the concerned authorities like your voice, Papan Bhai, or Balwinder sir, Biswarup Dada, or whoever it is, what we have told, the officials are discussing with the service provider. And when, if at all, we are going for postponement, and postponement is sure, you take it from.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And
That's
only
it.
thing is, please
That's it.
give some time for the officials to discuss with the service provider, because if
Okay.
we postpone, then center based is also there. We have to counter check with the center based whether that date there, that center is available, where the children have already applied in some X or Y city or in overseas centers also. So they are working. They are working. मैंने क्या बोला, नवंबर 30 तारीख से पहले नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. कब बोला? 1 महीने पहले बोला.
ठीक है.
किसी ना किसी यूट्यूब चैनल में बोला. So at least now, please be happy, take some relaxation, but don't
Yes.
avoid enjoying studying. If you are enjoying studying, if you are not enjoying studying, you relax totally. But
Yes, sir.
please give some time for the official. ये नहीं है कि पपन भाई, पपन सर, you issue notification. अरे कुछ मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा ना. I cannot do that. Nor you people can do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Institute will do it ना. Have some faith. ये नहीं है कि हम YouTube चैनल में
Okay,
ड्रामा
sir. Thank
बाजी
you, sir.
करने के लिए नहीं आ रहे हैं. कुछ बच्चों ने लिखा, you are promoting this channel, that channel, and you are coming and making mockery. ज्यादा anxiety हो गया. अरे, when did I tell you have anxiety? I told don't have anxiety. If you really love me, don't have anxiety. Okay.
So,
So
sir,
postpone.
Yes, sir.
like,
Thank you.
There is no other choice. There is no other choice other than postponement. If postponement is not there, and if examination are going to be conducted as per schedule, let us give a big salute to the examination department and the institute. नहीं होगा, because the institute is for students. If students are not there, where is the institute? Whichever institute. Then some students are telling, अरे पपन भाई आप लोग रात 12 बजे notification, किसने बोला? Who told you to watch my notification at 12 midnight or institute? अरे go to sleep na. Next day morning you read the notification. Who told you to see in 12 midnight? Yes, Priyanka madam, you are telling something.
yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
they're like, most of these students have an idea. They just want to know what would be the tentative extension of the examination, like how many days it will tentatively get extended, so that they can, I think, as per them, they want the time for the preparation.
Madam, I understood. अगर मैं extension बोलूँगा ना, I know the date. I will not tell. If I tell the date, what our students will do, you know, they will not. They will close the books and sleep for the next 1 or 2 or 3 or 4
one
weeks.
question. Do
Then
we are
again
going-
they will ask, please one more extension, sir. I know the date, but I will not tell. Let the institute tell. Yes, Akshay Sen, sir.
Sir, beyond CS or before CS?
I got that questions also. Some student wrote that my cousin's marriage is there on such and such date. So before this marriage or after that marriage? I said best wishes for the marriage. Then another girl wrote, sir, I am getting married. So I have lot of time. I said, when is your marriage? She said January. I said, which is the date? She said, sir, January 3rd week. I said, do you want your Papan Bhai to come for the marriage or what? No, na. So you are telling marriage. So before your marriage, a result will be declared, I told. Now she is not telling the marriage date. मैं क्या करूं? So before CS or after CS is not a question, Akshay Sen sir. But I am a person. I am very clear in my communication. It should not collide with the CA exam. It should not collide with elections in Kerala. No. As a citizen, we have the right to vote. So no examination will be conducted when there is an election. Because I am very clear in my communication as an elected representative, because we were also playing a part in elections in Kerala. And my chief minister is doing good work as of now. Now I am in Chennai. This chief minister is also doing good work. So we are with the government. Number 2, there should not be any collusion with any degree examination. Therefore, Akshay Sen Bhai, your Pappan Bhai will not like if it collides with the CS examination. You got the hint now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir.
It cannot
Thank you so
collide with any examination.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it has given relief to lot of students right now.
I am
Now they-
worried about the children who don't want postponement. But I want to tell them one thing. Please understand, it is not a question of postponement for X or Y group. Even if a single student is upset, I am also upset. I know you are studying well, you are ready to take the examination, but it is not because the 86% of the students have demanded for postponement. No. More than 70,000 students have applied for foundation, intermediate, and final put together. I am telling the figure of this CMA main course. Madam told about the certificate in accounting technician course, CAT course. It is on January 17th. As per my this thing as a chairman, I have declared January 17th. Had I been the chairman of this main course, I would have even shifted. That is not the question. It is not this thing. Students are studying. But please understand, it is not because of majority asking or minority asking, but postponement is the only way to see that students are safe. Students are safe. Students are safe. The entire family of students are safe. Entire family of students are safe. With all this corona and this thing, that thing, center-based examination, we need to be very, very careful. It so happened, it is colliding with CA exam, elections in Kerala, then natural calamities like Priyanka madam told, then some degree examination or company secretary's examination with Akshay Sen are told. Otherwise, I am very clear. I want each and every one of you to be safe. I want you, if I am alive, to wish me more number of days, years to come. Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening, good day, happy birthday. Aapka you Twitter 10,000 cross. I don't know what is this 10,000 or I never told anyone to follow. Some students were writing. ये कुछ ड्रामा बासे दिखा के फॉलोअर he is also following, he or she, I don't know. I never told him or her to follow me. ये क्या है वो भी मेरे को पता नहीं है, मगर मैं एक बात बताऊं, मैं सोशल मीडिया में आ रहा हूं. I am coming in social media, that is why people are liking me. Actually, the entire like, affection and respect goes to all the elected representatives, be it a chapter, region or council, even the employees, even the faculty members, even the tuition centers, even the academy, all are asking for the welfare of the students only. About the exam, nobody is asking Pappan Bhai, what about your housewarming ceremony, or what about your this much marriage anniversary, or what about your birthday? Nobody is asking me, na. So everybody are concerned with the students only, right? So I am also there. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि Pappan Bhai great, कुछ नहीं है. Pappan Bhai is coming in the social media, therefore others are telling, अरे ये कौन join किया?
Sir, he is Mithun Datta from Kolkata.
He is?
CMA Mithun Datta from Kolkata.
Acha, Mithun Datta Bhai, namaskar.
Hello, sir.
Yes, this is Pappan Bhai here. Okay. So, my dearest students, the faculty members, anybody in connection with the examination, they all are talking about you. All the council members. I am coming in social media doesn't mean that I am. We all are equal. It so happened I am coming there, you find me as a reaching this thing. That's all. Rest assured, the institute is with you. Any institute, for that matter, the health authority, the government, whether let it be government of India or government of union territory or state government, health department, police people, electricity. We should thank the electricity board. Na? They are ensuring that your Pappan Bhai is now not having power cut. Then now some questions will come. Priyanka madam, if you permit me, there are some students who are asking, we are writing the examination, beach mein power cut ho gaya. What we will do? Can we use hotspot? Yes. अरे पहले सर्विस प्रोवाइडर ने बोला नहीं होगा. Now we have discussed. Balwinder sir, Bisru Dada, Pappan Bhai, everybody have discussed. Now they are providing. So don't worry about your this cut. Only thing is above all of us, there is one CCTV. Camera is there. I don't go to temple, mosque or church. But if you have faith that God is there, somebody is watching. So don't do any malpractice. Otherwise, you are very much eligible to shift from Wi-Fi to hotspot. Only thing is tell your parents, brothers, sisters, elder or junior at home, Arey, we are doing all these things. I am taking, this is my life. Why don't you avoid using Wi-Fi? For that 3 hours, please don't switch on the TV. Don't watch movies. Don't play in WhatsApp or social media. That entire this thing, please give it to me. That you can request your people at home. If you are writing this thing home based, center based, yes, they might be having generator and other facilities so that you won't have any power cut. ठीक है, बीच में power cut हो गया. I am, yes, you can continue writing the examination. Only when you are supposed to submit, again connectivity is required. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि through some adjustment you switch off the Wi-Fi or hotspot and tell that I am not there. No, you are watched. You are watched by the proctor. Then you might ask, sir, internet तो नहीं है. Yes, there is a provision. That you don't ask me how. That service provider will take care of. So better please study, enjoy studying so that you will not forget in the examination what you have to write. At the same time, you will also remember what answer you should give to the question which you have to give, right? These are all some certain things, Priyanka madam, I just want to share with you. Yes, Mithun bhai, you have any this thing to ask? You can ask.
Sir,
Acha, you have come late. Any questions already answered? I will not answer. Okay. अरे एक बार आंसर देने के भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना एग्जाम में, तो बार बार. Yes, yes. Yes, any other question, please?
Sajjad, do you have any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am. Only when notification will come. All are.
No notification. मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. I am also like you. Notification will come. नवंबर 30 तारीख से पहले आना है, आएगा. And when I have told as an answer to Akshay Sen Bhai that postponement is the only choice. Notification थोड़ी देर बाद आने से क्या problem? अगर notification नहीं आएगा, tell the students to be prepared to write the examination on 10th. चलो छोड़ दो, क्योंकि पहले notification है ना as per schedule करके.
So some of the students, due to as the COVID-19 is increasing in some area, wants to shift from center to home base now. Is it possible?
I have told examination department barely. I have spoken to Dr. Sushil Parekh sir today also that there should be an option even at the last moment or option change a cut-off date, which they have told is wrong. It cannot be possible because today I am going to write the examination. Suppose I get COVID. What about the other students who are sitting near me? You leave the students. What about that invigilator and the person who is running that center base? They will be afraid, na? See, either they will be at home or they will go to the doctor to test whether they are having COVID positive or not. Students should be given a chance. This I have demanded and it should be done, Akshay bhai. It is not that आज मैं ठीक हूँ, कल क्या होगा किसको पता है. Containment zone, government is declaring 144. Government is declaring. We are watching now what is happening in Maharashtra. We are now watching in Tamil Nadu na, regarding this Nivar. Suddenly some 13 districts are declared 144. Means they don't want some of the human beings to come to the nature near the sea and take selfie and do all this nonsense. Government want the safety of the citizen. When they are directing, we as an institute should abide by the health department, police department, government. So rest assured, students should be helped, Akshay Sen Bhai. This is my view. And it will happen. Otherwise, I will be the voice of the students in the council. My word. But for the sake of playing, anybody want to change this thing, that also they will know. Acha, suddenly
Sir,
everybody became serious. What
No, sir. So, sir, we can basically we can.
I am with the students. I am for the students and I am by the students. And every council member will be with them only.
And so that's the reason students love you so much. You might be watching the comments.
Madam, 1 second. Sir, live program. Yes, madam, what do you say?
Sir, we can very well watch this out. How students love you so much. You can just check out the message box right now. Students are loving you like anything. You have given a great relaxation to all of them.
In front of me, I can see Priyanka madam, Akshay Singh bhai, Mithun bhai, Sajid bhai, and Prakash Sharma sir. I cannot. Where is the chat box? Kahan dekhna hai? Pata nahi.
Okay. Let me promise you. So it's on the down. And sir, the students are also raising this query that since now we can have a little bit conclusion on that part, that foundation exam will held on its scheduled date only, and inter and final will get.
Madam, once again, all the very best. May Almighty bless you, foundation children. Don't worry, our pass percentage is more than 80%. When Balwinder Singh sir was the president, he was the chairman TNDF, and he ensured that the thing, not he ensured, that much comfort we have given, and you have performed very well. And wherever some this thing, chief examiner also suggested something to help the students, we have ensured, and the result was more than 80%. To be precise, 84 point something. Similarly, Biswarup Dada, who was the chairman TNDF at that time, is the honorable president now. Nobody is against you. So rest assured, foundation students, please prepare well. All the very best and come out with the flying colors. Yes, Priyanka.
And so other than that, foundation is to be held on scheduled date, and inter and final will get postponed. But the students are asking a query regarding the result declaration. So hopefully it might become by the January end or the scheduled date which we already have in February, 23rd February. We might be getting the result before then only.
Our intentions are very clear. Balwinder sir wants CMA Global. So results will be declared before January 31st. Maximum date will be January 31st. Results will be declared. And those who clear intermediate will get a chance to appear for final in June 2021.
As a few students are also asking, like, can we expect online exams in June and December 21 also? Can we expect online same examination pattern in June 21 and December 21?
According to me, yes. Because and why I am telling you, Priyanka madam, I have some more dream that those children who fail by chance because they could not write or they could not, they have not studied and that question has come and they fail, or for some other reason they fail. Okay. My intention is why students should wait for 6 months because of offline they are waiting. If it is online, अरे पपन भाई जो दिसंबर ये जो एग्जामिनेशन है मैं फेल हुआ, एक दिन 2 दिन और 1 हफ्ते मैं रोऊंगा ना, I will cry. After that I will forget. Then I will be in normal. Already I have studied something. Why should I wait for 6 months? If I am given 1 month to study, if institute can conduct examination every quarter, 1 year is divided by 4 quarters. So why, if it is online, madam, we can even think of conducting. My dream that examination can be conducted every 3 months. Every 3 months. Those who have failed, not for fresh. Those who have attempted, failed. Why should they wait for 6 months? They should be given. And days are not very far. I am telling you, Priyanka madam, not near future, but future is very clear. Students will demand into the institute, I want to take the examination. If the number of students are 500,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, that minimum this thing, if institute can decide, if students demand, why 3 months, 6 months? Any time examination can be conducted if it is online. If it is offline, it is not that easy. And we should aim for so many things. Today, Papan Bhai is in the council dreaming. I may not be there in the council in future, but the youngsters who are going to become the leaders can bring drastic change, and it can happen. Yes, even offline can come back. Offline can come back also. If online examination somehow some discomfort or something, we also find that some lacuna is there in the technology, we can bring back offline. But since you asked your Pappan by Priyanka madam, I am very clear in my communication that one, it is not for COVID-19. You ask honestly, Balwinder Singh sir, secretly. It is not for COVID situation. When will we grow? When will we grow? Earlier days, the foundation was online. And shall I tell you one thing, madam? You asked about the CAT examination. Right from the beginning till date, you ask Rakesh Singh sir, you ask Balwinder Singh sir, who was the first chairman of CAT in the year 2006-2007. You ask Amit Bhai, you ask Srinivasa Prasad sir, you ask I. Ashok sir, you ask Manavda, you ask Avijit Bhai, whoever were chairman. I am only chairman from the last year. Na? You ask Balwinder sir, the first chairman of a CAT. You ask him. Till date, from the beginning, we are doing only online. Nobody complains. So it is because we are doing offline, suddenly we are changing, people have some confusion, madam. Otherwise, there is no malpractice, there is no this thing or that thing. 1 second, madam. Danya. അതെ ഞാനൊരു ലൈവ് ഇവന്റ് യൂട്യൂബിൽ ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഞാൻ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വിളിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. എന്തെങ്കിലും അർജന്റ് ഉണ്ടോ? എക്സാമിന്റെ കാര്യമാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ യൂട്യൂബ് ലൈവ് ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ഓൺ. ഓക്കെ, യു വാച്ച് Dr. Priyanka Saxena madam YouTube channel. Tomorrow it will be clarified. Otherwise, after this YouTube, I will call you. Okay. This is again students asking about exam. I told to watch your channel. Maybe same question. Maybe if it is some other question, after this I will attend them. No issue. So people may be asking Priyanka madam or Akshay Singh bhai, Arey Pappan bhai, you are available 24 hours. Sorry, I don't wear watch. I don't wear watch. So there is no any specific hour in my life. I am living the present. Because you people are wearing the watch, you are telling 5th December, 6th December, 10th December. For me, daily it is examination only. I go to sleep. There is no guarantee I will wake up next day morning, but I go to sleep. Na? So it all depends upon how you answer students, how you attend their calls, how you are this thing. And thanks to everybody for following me. But please follow good things what I do. Don't follow the bad things which you don't know what I am doing. Okay. That also. Yes, any other question?
Any other question? Tuheen, Prakash sir, Sajjad, Akshay sir?
Ma'am, has sir discussed about the question patterns, because many of the question students are really worried about questions.
Tuheen's question is regarding
the mode of answer.
No, regarding question answer pattern, this thing, you better have Balwinder sir in your this thing. Why I am telling, I was involved initially in the pattern and other things, but most of the entire effort, everything till late midnight or early morning they have done. I can only tell what I know, what we have discussed. I have also requested Balwinder Singh sir. We are very clear in our communication. MCQ will dominate the online examination. That doesn't mean that standard of the examination will go down. Sorry. That MCQ questions will be made in such a manner that if you have studied well, then you will be able to answer whether it is A or B or E or D or whatever it is. Otherwise, it will be difficult to answer. So a student who are reading the study material of the institute will definitely easily pass. Enjoy studying. It is not that simply studying. If you enjoy studying only, you will remember what you have studied and you can give the correct answer.
Okay, so MCQ will take over like most of the questions as a marks.
Yes, that is what I am informed, sir. That is what I am informed, sir. Because the descriptive questions will not have the bigger say.
Okay.
So there's one more question coming from students that even though like result will be out very soon, but do we have rank list also available for the coming attempt also?
Yes, always it has to be there. If Papan Bhai gets a 99 and Priyanka madam gets a 99.95, Priyanka madam is the first rank holder. Why Papan should get? See what Balwinder sir told. Why I am quoting Balwinder sir? Because you people are not listening what he has told. It is only mode of examination changed from offline to online. Otherwise, everything is same only.
Is same.
All other things are same. कोरोना के काल में फिजिकल मीटिंग रैंक होल्डर सेलिब्रेशन नहीं होगा, फिर भी आजकल चैप्टर्स, रीजन, सपोर्ट सेंटर, रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ओरल कोचिंग सेंटर, all are very happy whenever the result comes and they are felicitating the passed out students. You leave the rank holder. I know certain chapters, recognized oral coaching center, support center, and regions who are felicitating the passed out students, base, foundation, intermediate, group 1, group 2, intermediate, complete pass, final group 3, group 4, complete pass. They are felicitating. Institute normally conducts that, what is that, madam? वो टोपीज पहन के वो क्या बोलते हैं? Convocation. Convocation, they are calling only rank holders. That nowadays the region and chapter are also doing, we are not objecting. Na? So that way also it is good. So rank and other things it will be there, and some of the elderly persons have constituted certain things for best girl student who have got highest mark in such and such a subject in group like that, boys, overall the thing. We will not disrespect them. It has to be given to the students because they have constituted that endowment fund for that purpose. Because of unfortunate, whatever you call it, a COVID situation or whatever it is, we are unable to do that program. That's all. But it will be done, madam. For online exam, online or offline, students, rank holders are rank holders. Na?
So there are two more questions coming from student. One is if a student who was eligible to give in June 20 but hasn't appeared in December. No, I think I got misconfused. Attempt has been given in December 20. The student will appear in December 20, and will they, if they'll clear the exam, they'll be eligible to give June 21 for finals also. And the same with foundation. If the foundation student is appearing in December, they'll be eligible for June 21 for intermediate. Both the groups together.
Yes.
So
and
both the
most importantly, any student who could not attend June being the last attempt, that attempt is not counted. They are eligible for December. Only thing is where their registration has expired because of maximum number of years, they have to go through that small process called de novo registration. That is re-registration. There's some nominal fees, filling of the application form. They will continue to be the students with the same number. So if you have not given attempt for June, your exemption is already over in June. Do not worry. Everything is carried forward. And today, madam, suppose somebody, say Prakash Sharma Bhai or Papan Bhai has opted out. That option is given by the institute. That doesn't mean that Prakash Sharma or Papan Bhai has lost a chance. No. It will be carried forward to June 2021.
But when they'll appear for June 21 in intermediate, they'll become eligible for finals in June 22. So if the student is opting out right now in December 20 and they'll be appearing in June 21 for intermediate and they'll be clear both the group, then they'll become eligible to clear their finals. They'll be eligible to appear in finals for June 22 and not December 21.
No. Why? Regulation is very clear. 4.5 months difference only should be there between one exam and another exam. Like if children, no, madam, you can continue your question. Let me finish with that flow. Na? If students are results are declared before January 31st, and this batch of students, because they have gone through online examination and results are declared before January 31st, if X or Y, Priyanka madam is eligible for June 21, Then that same Priyanka madam, if she opts out now and appear in June 2021, and if the results are declared within 1 month, and there is a gap between that number of result declaration and the December examination is more than 4 months, or whatever that regulation says, Priyanka madam is eligible for going for final in December. If it is online, madam, if the result is declared on September, then only that gap between December and September is this thing. See, I answered one question that we want to make it online henceforth. If it is online, what is the difficulty for institute to declare result within 1 or 2 weeks? Na? वो भी हो जाएगा. The future is intelligent, smart students who complete quickly. They will be finishing the course also quickly. Not that everybody can pass that easily, because even if luck favors the brave, by sheer luck, somebody cannot pass the professional examination. Something should be there. They have to study well.
So one more thing, students are asking.
Madam,
Yes.
before I am asking one question, shall I ask one question?
Yes, sir, sure.
Whether Priyanka madam or Mithun or Sajad or Prakash Sharma or Akshay Sen, you all had a dinner?
No,
No,
sir,
no,
we
sir.
haven't. Not yet.
Okay, so we are all on the same boat, na? Because I am feeling hungry, that is why.
Only a little one question. Like students are having one question continuously asking. They want to know
now
whether
student will tell when we are having so much anxiety, this thing, that thing, and Papan bhai wants to take dinner. Arey, aisa nahi hai. I take food whenever I feel hungry. I never treat my stomach as a dustbin. But when I am feeling hungry, I wish to take. That is why I told. Otherwise, I am ready for any number of hours. No issue.
आज तो पार्टी करेंगे.
So one more thing.
Yes.
Sorry to. So one more thing, they want to know whether this objective paper examination pattern will cover fill in the blanks and match the following types of questions also, other than MCQs.
Yes. I in fact suggest that Priyanka madam, let the people watch this thing by the institute, whether Biswarup Dada or Nandi sir or Balwinder Singh sir, who have brought certain things from the institute itself. They have given very clear. And in mock test, which Akshay Sen sir was telling, everything is there. Na? Similarly, that model examination, steps to success, that is what I would like to call. I don't know whether the institute is going to call model exam or whatever name. I don't know. That particular thing, if you see, madam, fill in the blanks will be there, true or false will be there, or maybe there will be yes or no type of questions. It can be in different thing. Ultimately, the knowledge and aptitude of the students are only checked by not putting them into too much harassment. That doesn't mean that if you are in center-based examination, please don't ask the nearby person, "Arey, a question yes or no," or A or B or C. Oh, camera will catch hold of you, right? So, whatever you are asking, same, madam, whatever was there earlier, other than descriptive type questions will be little bit less. Otherwise, that pattern will continue, madam. Same thing.
Sir, is there any sample pattern will be released by the institute before the exam?
हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मॉडल एग्जाम होगा, मॉडल एग्जाम आएगा. अभी ये जो बच्चों को दे रहे हैं ना फाउंडेशन course student, more than 8,000 plus children have already successfully completed that model examination. They call it a mock test or whatever it is. That is exclusively 50 marks per paper जो होता है ना, 4 subject foundation. Already they have given. Similarly, intermediate and final students also will get it. Now students will ask when it will come. If extension is going to happen, why you are worrying about it? वो भी आएगा ना.
So we can say this to the student that model test paper will something like that.
You need not tell, sir. Now already students are watching YouTube live.
No. Many of the students who are not there, they are supposed to message and
they are supposed to watch this channel. You tell them. Are Nanti Shah sir from Surat chapter has already written to me. He is elected representative. Sir has already written very clearly that you have announced this thing now a great relief for the means you don't know who are all watching. Message is very clear and we need not worry. एक बार पप्पन भाई के मुंह से ये आ गया ना, अगर ये चेंज नहीं होगा तभी गाली सब मेरे ऊपर आएगा, वही प्रॉब्लम है मैडम. Nothing will happen to your channel, don't worry. The question will come to me only. Yes, I am telling you, whatever I have told is with full honesty, integrity, and accountability. And if anything goes wrong, I am responsible. And I have not shared anything which I am not supposed to. And this is what elected representatives, whether they are in chapters, region, or council, everybody have to tell the same thing only. Because this is what we have requested, and this is what Institute is going to do. By any chance, any change is there for any reason, it is not Papan Bhai will tell that I will not take the responsibility. Entire responsibility I will take. Because I know it is not one Papan Bhai telling, entire council, examination department, studies department, elected representatives of region, chapter, anybody you ask, we have this answer only, that we are with the students. We don't want to put them into trouble. That's what. I'm very clear. So don't worry about who will watch which
Now,
YouTube.
one last question from student side. They are asking about the practical training scenario. Students who haven't completed their practical training, will they be eligible
Exempted.
for June 21 also, sir?
वो कहाँ मैंने बोला ये एग्जाम के लिए मैंने
Only for December 20. Okay, sir. So,
June
like for the
21
December 20.
Madam, there is no. See, we have to live with Corona. It doesn't mean that we want the children to suffer. वैक्सीन कुछ नहीं अभी नहीं आएगा, अगर आएगा तो भी वो कुछ बंदों के लिए आएगा. For common people, vaccine will not come that easily. Therefore, I feel, I am not declaring, I feel for June 2021 also, or whatever exemption we are talking now will happen for that also. But at the same time, this T&DF chairman Balwinder Singh sir, Nandi sir, studies department, examination department are very clear. Whatever online computer training which they are providing to you, please don't take the excuse of Corona, but please undergo that. This is my request. वो जो GB होता है ना हर दिन के लिए 1 घंटे का GB, 1 GB और 1.5 GB और 2 GB और 3 GB, थोड़ा GB कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी अलग से रखना, वो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है. बाकी समय पूरा जो गाना वाना सुल्तान फिल्म का जो देखना है या शाहरुख खान का देखना है, ये देखना है, वो सब कीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. You enjoy watching movie, watching football. Abhi now this football, this thing is going on, na? Then watch about the now Maradona, the great legend is no more. If you want to see his yesteryear's football matches, you watch cricket match. Dekh lo. But some GB, please spare it for studying. Some GB, please spare it for this computer course, which is given by the chapter, region, or institute. Institute in particular, because we are giving you the special things, SAP, Cambridge, this thing which Balwinder sir told na. So those things don't ask exemption, but training and other things, madam, if you ask your Papan Bhai, it will be there for June 21 also.
Hello, sir.
Many of the
Yes.
students have asked.
Sir, can we get 15 minutes for reading question paper in exam like earlier?
Yes. Why 15 minutes? You read for 3 hours, na? If you want to answer, you answer. Otherwise, you go on reading. उसमें क्या है? अरे
In exam we get extra 15 minutes.
अरे सुनो यार, नहीं मिलेगा. क्या बात बोल रहे हैं? I have also written in offline. It so happened I am a last bench, my roll number P na Padmanabhan. It comes in the last bench A B C D करके यहाँ पे और पहले वाला बच्चों जो है ना first row they would have given question, but teacher will tell keep it ulta. Then they will give me. So क्या हुआ? पहले वाला जो बच्चा है he will try to see without the knowledge of the invigilator ऐसा वैसा. तो क्या हुआ? He got tension 15 minutes earlier. Whereas I got the paper only at the start of the exam. I opened. मेरा टेंशन तो उसी टाइम शुरू हुआ ना, तो बेटर डोंट रीड 15 minutes earlier. ठीक है, वो कंप्यूटर में क्वेश्चन पहले नहीं आएगा. जब
Reminding the
आने के
examination days.
बाद if you don't understand any question, you skip it, leave it. Next question, वो भी पता नहीं, next. Like that 100 question also same way, don't know. No issue na. No issue. Mark only D और E करके mark करके बाहर आ जाना. Anyway, we don't know the answer. But don't come out without marking any answer, because there is no negative mark. There is no negative mark. As of now, till this moment when I am talking, there is no negative mark. But luck don't try on A or B or C or D or A. खाली एक पे ध्यान रखना. This is not a examination committee member telling. Pappan Bhai is telling, okay, tomorrow nobody should put case against me. I am telling a suggestion. It is not a tips for examination. If you don't know 10 question answer, always mark the same answer. D. Because if it is difficult, the answer will be last but one or last only. Definitely it will not be A or B or C. Okay? और S or no में क्या करो? You just put a toss in your mind and put either S or no. Okay, जा. जो होगा. Those who have studied well, they will not have these issues. तो 15 मिनट 20 मिनट के वो बात ही नहीं उठता है. And shall I tell you one thing? Normally, in my nature, if you give me a full page to read, my nature, I will read it within 2 seconds. My nature, my caliber, because I can understand what is the gist of that one page, paragraph or whatever it is. Everybody cannot be like that. So what I used to do in examination, पहले sentence पढ़ते ही मेरे को पता चलेगा कि this answer I know or not. I skip that paper. And my nature in offline examination is always, I never attempt the compulsory question in the beginning. I come from the last question. Because last question always will be easy. I have found out. It is my style of doing. And which examiner told that you should attempt the first question, second question, third, fourth? It doesn't mean that everybody follow Pappan Bhai. Okay, don't do that. Twitter में follow करना, but my style. Okay. Any other question?
Any other question, Akshay sir, Prakash sir, Tuheen, Sajjad?
No, ma'am.
I think that's for the day, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us a great relief. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
You all the best
Thank
for
you,
all
sir.
the students.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, sir.
whatever I have told today, Priyanka madam, it is in good faith. In good faith. It is not for any publicity or any drama basi by Pappan Bhai or whatever it is for any channel. I am very clear in my communication. However, still anybody wants to give some this thing against me, gali dena hai, kuch bolna hai, you are at full freedom. If you are getting happiness in telling something against me, I am more happy, because I am becoming an instrument for you to become happy. But rest assured, these are all the things which we want to share, which we know we have shared. And 99.99% it will be true. However, above all of us, something is there, some power is there, we don't know. Any changes that come, don't blame Dr. Priyanka Saxena madam to this channel, wherein Akshay Sen Bhai is there, or Sharma sir is there, Rajat Bhai, Mithun Bhai, everybody are there, or your own Pappan Bhai is addressing. Don't blame us. Whatever best we can do only, we have tried to do. And last but not the least, those who are watching, if you also have not taken food, please take food. Happy dinner. So Akshay Sen sir was telling, "Bachcho, aaj maja karega." Don't do it beyond your limit. To your limit level, you enjoy. Okay. And remember, if you are enjoying, please remember your Pappan Bhai also in that enjoyment. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
tomorrow Balwinder sir is again coming live. Dr. Murthy sir is coming live. I might also join them. I am also invited. It is by Hyderabad chapter of Cost Accountants of India. That chapter they are conducting, the chairman and the team, Venkateshwarlu sir, Jalal sir and Lavanya, like that, that entire management committee members are organizing. I think maybe it is in the evening. Exact timing I should see. So if possible, join, because if you listen to Balwinder Singh sir, I am telling you, you will get more tips about the pattern, question, this thing also.
Yeah.
This is my humble request. Don't mistake me, Priyanka madam. Through your channel, I am canvassing for Hyderabad.
No, no,